This is David Gomm in the Stained Glass Studio. I'm talking about our booklet, Design the Window of Your Dreams. Last time Jeannie showed you step 1. Today I'm going to cover step 2, where does stained glass go? Now if you think about where stained glass goes, you'll come up with all kinds of ideas. If you walk around your home, walk around your business to see where you can have light coming through a window. Maybe you've got too much light coming through the window. Maybe you need some privacy. We have some doors where too much light was coming through. We got the glass in them, and now they're just wonderful. They still are illuminated. They give us what we need. So my advice to you then is to, just be creative. Stained glass looks gorgeous in a window. So you walk around, you see which windows would be good for glass. How about hanging a window on your wall? We've done that, and sometimes people put windows in their doors and the side lights next to them. And sometimes they hang them on the front porch. There are a huge number of places where stained glass can be placed. And what's great about it, you'll see it, it'll glow. You know when stained glass looks the best? Is on a cloudy, overcast day. You look outside and everything looks gloomy. You look at your piece of glass, oh, it just looks great. Makes you feel good. Makes you feel good about yourself, about your life. So those are the things that you want to take into consideration. And here's a list, and I'm going to kind of scroll a picture of what I'm talking about as I make this list for you. So think about these things. A hall or closet door, side lights, transoms, bathroom cabinet, a room divider, lamps, other lighting fixtures, a picture or mirror frames, outdoor address. This one's ours. The pizza guys love us because they can tell what the address is. Spa windows, skylights, kitchen cabinets. All of these types of windows will add elegance and beauty to your home. They'll give you privacy. You can put them on a kitchen cabinet door and you can't see through them so clearly, so you can't tell if the cupboard is a mess or not. And it's just wonderful, and you'll be able to improve your home, improve your environment. So we want to get you thinking about stained glass. We want you to be able to design the window of your dreams. Okay, click on the link. It'll take you to get the PDF if you haven't got it already. All right, Jeannie will be back next time to talk a little bit more. She'll be on step 3. Woohoo!